What an incredible event. You know, this event, this workshop was created because I discovered the need within myself and went through this journey that I feel honored to share with others. It's a 3-day event that begins with day 1, a day of reflections. Reflect back to who you truly are. We go all the way back to you just being that playful child with no judgment, no fear, no schedule, no demands of anyone. You just laughing and running and skipping and playing, just being true to you. Life happens. We get busy. We grow up. Nobody asked us if we wanted to be an adult, but we are. And so oftentimes we lose the sense of purpose and we lose our passion. We lose who we are. So in 3 days, we reconnect with ourselves so we can continue to live and love life full of joy. On the 3rd day, we really talk about how do you integrate all that you've learned back into your life. We are not what we do for a living. We are individual humans. And so it's just an incredible experience. It's a journey. I don't teach, I guide. I guide you as you go through the process of rediscovery, reflections, recalibrate. And in doing that, rejuvenate yourself so you live the life you truly love.